Hey everybody, and welcome back. So I figured I'd do a quick overview as to what all has been done to the car since we bought it a few months ago. So you're looking at there is just a brand new intake. This is the Cobb SF Intake, and this helps the car breathe a whole lot better. In addition, if you're someone who likes to hear the sounds of the turbocharger, this will allow you to do that. You'll hear the whistle as it's blowing off and also as it's pulling in air as well. So in addition to the intake, in order to help the car breathe better, we also put a new downpipe on it. The OEM downpipe is a little bit tough to make any power with, so we swapped that out. And the reason we went with the Turbo XS is it actually has a test pipe that allows me to pull off the Cali converters for any kind of dyno or testing day, and then pop them back on for any time I need to run the cats. In order for us to actually control the boost levels a little better, we swapped out the OEM boost controller for a GrimmSpeed boost controller. This allows us to actually dial in the boost a little bit better than the factory one, as well as run a little bit higher numbers without tripping the check engine light. The access port, probably one of the most important items I have in any car I build. And the idea behind this is the computer that helps piggyback off of the laptop to allow you to actually control the car. Now, I actually have it using the dialed access port mount, and I'll tell you what, if you don't have one, buy one. They are fantastic and they hold the unit right in place. In addition, it still allows your vent to work, so no cords and no mess in the car. And last but not least, I wanted that growl, so I installed the Remark axleback, and this just helps me get a little more tone out of the exhaust. I will admit it does get a little bit loud sometimes, especially paired with the downpipe, but overall, fantastic product. It allows you to hear that Subaru rumble.